February, it is a lovely day. I'm squinting in the sun, so not the easiest of angles. This is my first ever vlog, so please bear with me. It is probably going to be terrible quality, but I'll do my best to edit it to make it something reasonably good. Behind me you will see the beginning of the miniature railway I'm building. That's what this whole series is about. Being the first video in the series, I thought I'd run through the plans, show you what my dream is, show you what I'm trying to build here. Hopefully it works out to be something like that. It probably won't be, probably to end up that I can't do loads of stuff I plan to do and end up finding something better, but that's how this goes. So let's have a look at the plans and I'll try and explain to you what I'm trying to achieve. So what you see here is the plan for the railway. It's of what's known as a balloon formation. So starts at the main station, wanders its way around, goes round the balloon, so to speak, and then comes back to the start again. Focusing in on the station, I'm going to stick a turntable in at one end. Saves space really, and is just a lot more helpful to turn the engine round. Means you can always drive the engine forwards. Obviously it goes around the balloon, so that turns it round at the other end. As you can see here, this is what I've done so far. Going to have platforms on both sides, just made of paving slabs. That then goes into a point and off it goes down the route. So after it leaves the station, then runs down, we've got a little carriage siding to the right, and then it joins in with the engine shed. So it'll be a 2-track engine shed, and hopefully with enough room in front as well to park the odd thing. The shed's going to be brick based, as you can just see in the top right hand corner there. It's then going to be a plastic shed on top. Everything was strewn when I took this video because we just had a windy day the day before. As I say, the carriage siding will be on the left as it shows there, so heading off to the left, and then from this view you can see all the way down from the back of the shed and see how that forms a straight line out into the next part of the track plan, going out into the field. So it goes round the field and comes up to the points at the top there.
And here you can see where I've dug that out already to get a better idea of it. And you can see the plan is to put a platform in between those two tracks. So go up, stop there, go round the loop, and then come back down to the main station. Track wise, it's 7¼ inch track, made of steel with rubber sleepers. These last longer than the wood, which obviously rot over time. Train wise, this is the sort of size of train I'm looking at, what's called a ride-in size, which means you can sit in the garages, sit in the engine. Obviously nothing as grand as what you see in here, but that gives you an idea. So that's the plan. Now on with the building. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.